Good evening, Kiran Makwana. You are appearing for which interview? You are you have written which exam? CBI or PNB?
Yes, sir. CBI.
CBI. Result is has not come, na?
No, result is not come.
Yeah, yeah. Good.
And I am preparing any means ki interview as result come
Before,
and
yeah, yeah.
हाँ
Beforehand prepare करने से अच्छा होता है. Good. That is right.
yes
And I have sent you the
Hmm.
following links.
yes.
And
But
the
how
idea,
can I
I,
read
I,
all these PDF?
I will tell you. I will tell you.
Okay.
That is why I arranged for this class. Now, this one is coming mm, in 1 minute.
Okay, no
Mm,
problem.
So actually, this is the link I have given you, correct?
हाँ yes.
This
All
is the
these.
link. Here,
Hmm.
for before starting for this interview and all, it is good to know some basics of banking by
Hmm.
going through this material I have given you. Are you seeing the way I have come to this from
Yes, I
the
see. I see.
previous one? It is like this.
Hmm.
It was like this. From here, I clicked this.
Hmm.
Then next. Now this contains some 300 questions or so, which is general banking related questions, though they are not very strictly related to credit. There will be some questions relating to advances, mortgage, pledge, hypothecation, lien, like that. So many questions. Then about mudra loans, about Swanidhi loan, like that. Some questions will come under that area also. Okay. Yeah. So you must be in a position to read that one. And the videos for this, um, I have posted in other bank interview videos. For this separately, I have not posted. You can read it. You can read it, and if you get some doubts, you can always ask. And I think your interview dates are also not known. So, in case we get time, maybe
Hmm.
we can go through them in the class also. But I would recommend you are reading it yourself.
All these PDFs, sir.
Not all these. Out
Hmm.
of this, that only one PDF.
Guidely वाली.
बैंक इंटरव्यू
हाँ.
गाइडली वाले में बैंक इंटरव्यू ओनली.
Okay.
उसका बाद में आपको फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस
Hmm.
करके इधर है. इधर में many things are not very. 1 minute. Hello. Yes, please. Good evening, Manish Kumar. अच्छा, I know you are that AU Small Finance Bank or some small finance bank, Delhi manager. And where are you now? In which position are you? अच्छा, बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा में ज्वाइन कर लिया आपने
हाँ.
एज असिस्टेंट मैनेजर. Excellent. On a regular basis or contract basis? That is contract basis for 5 years. I know you will fit into that because they will select you for that because they would have given 20% increase for your salary and taken finished. I know that. Good. You are enjoying your service there. गुड बेस्ट विशेस कुछ अभी क्या बात के लिए फोन किया है कुछ खबर है या देन बट ओनली थिंग इज आपको एमएसएमई एक्सपीरियंस है आई नो रिलेशनशिप ऑफिसर सो यू कैन कम फॉर दैट बट इसका बीच में एमएसएमई को भी थोड़ा पढ़ना है हम बता देगा आपको you will have to join our group by paying 615 rupees to same GPay, not this number, दूसरा नंबर 9003037557। आप तो जानते हैं अदरवाइज हमको इसमें आप व्हाट्सएप मैसेज भेज दीजिए हम रिप्लाई कर देंगे आपको या देर आर सम पीपल हु आर जॉइंड एंड रिलेशनशिप के लिए कल ही 4 आदमी ज्वाइन किया अभी तक आप भी ज्वाइन कर लीजिए एंड आई मे बी टुमारो और डे आफ्टर आई अरेंज फॉर अ मीटिंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू टू डिस्कस वी कैन मीट एंड डिस्कस देयर हम्म हम्म ओ फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जून अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है गुड तब तो अब हमको एक मैसेज भेज दीजिए नहीं होने से 615 रुपीज मेरा जीपे और फोन पे पर नंबर नोट कर लीजिए 900 ठीक है ठीक है तो टाइम देरी हो जाएगा वाप थोड़ा गैप हो जाएगा बिकॉज आई विल बी इन द मिडस्ट ऑफ मीटिंग्स टिल 10 o'clock इन द नाइट गोइंग ऑन टॉकिंग टू वन सो इसलिए नंबर बोलता है नोट कर लो 900 अरे ट्रेजरी मैनेजर आप क्यों इतना अलर्ट होना चाहिए अच्छा अच्छा 90030375557 90030375557 ठीक है ये नंबर भी आपको पता होना है आपके पास होना है बहुत बार हम लोग बात किया होगा एनी हाउ डजंट मैटर अब अभी हमारा बिजी है इन द मिडस्ट ऑफ क्लास नाउ थैंक यू सॉरी किरण
Yeah.
मकवाना only you have come what happened
Uh,
why nobody
पता
has
नहीं
come
सर, पता
nobody
नहीं सर।
no, nobody has come hmm?
हाँ, nobody।
किरण मकवाना मकवाना का मतलब क्या है
मकवाना का मत सरनेम है मेरी।
अच्छा
माय
मकवा
सरनेम इज मकवाना। हाँ, और मैं माय नेम इज किरण।
किरण वेरी गुड सो
हम्म,
नाउ in this material what are the other things important बोलने से
हम्म,
everything is important but फिर भी
हम्म,
advanced financial statement
ओके।
this one we can read an increase in closing stock of raw material over the previous year level is what use of funds like that. The such information has been provided. I don't know what material is this. ज़्यादा हम तो पढ़ा नहीं है, फिर भी it is a very good material. You can go through this.
But yes, all is MCQ based.
No, no, this is MCQ based, but
Hmm.
questions आपको इधर हम देंगे, बाद में देंगे. Then annuity and capital budgeting. इसका
Okay.
बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन ऐसा दिया है. ये क्या चीज है, पढ़ लीजिए. बाद में
Hmm.
हम लोग का समय मिलने से वी विल रीड, बट समय
Okay.
तो मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा पता नहीं. देन बैंकिंग पार्ट 1 PDF. दिस इज अबाउट वेरियस बैंकिंग. जो मटेरियल हमने उधर दिया है, दैट इज गाइडली का मटेरियल. इन द
Hmm.
सेम वे दिस इज same material, same concepts in a different pattern. So
अच्छा.
you can go through these also. For example, if I ask you what is Swift code, what is Swift, then you can tell like that.
Hmm.
Then next one, this is about a risk in financial services.
Hmm.
This is a descriptive book, but पूरा तो पढ़ने का हम लोग का समय मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, देखना पड़ेगा. सो 384 पेज. इसमें
इतना
तो
सा.
इतना इतना समय नहीं है आपको.
हाँ
देन
पर.
आपने एक काम कर सकते हैं, आप इस बुक को
Hmm.
आप चैट जीपीटी में देखें.
Okay.
उनको बोलो अरे आपको ये 50 पेज का अंदर में दे दो बस. वो
Hmm.
खत्म ब्रीफली दे देगा आपको.
Okay. I will try.
या देन नेक्स्ट वन, फॉरेन एक्सचेंज ऑपरेशंस. ये वाला आपने क्यों दिया पता नहीं, बिकॉज समटाइम्स वी यूज टू गेट पीपल फॉर एफएक्स ऑपरेशन ऑल्सो. That is not relevant for you. But I'm sorry,
सर
sorry.
मेरा
It is relevant
मेरा
because it is relevant
इंटरव्यू.
because you may have some foreign exchange advances also.
क्रेडिट ऑफिसर लेवल का
Yeah,
है मेरा.
yeah. Foreign exchange के लिए आपको questions होगा. For example, um, packing credit, then post shipment credit, letter of credit. ये सब आएगा. इसको खाली वो वाला इधर से आप पढ़, इधर है देखो.
हम्म. अच्छा. इसमें भी
हम्म.
बहुत सारा
और
पेज.
आपको ये भी पता होना जरूरी है, व्हाट इज ECGC, व्हाट इज एक्सपोर्ट क्रेडिट.
हम्म.
ये दोनों पढ़ना है.
ओके.
Not that you should not read other things, but where is the time for you? Then it is good to know the definition of FDI, FPI, FII,
हम्म.
and all that. Okay.
ओके.
Then this is borrower constitutional documents and approval. Here, some of us are not aware of the basic terms. That is why what is memorandum of association? What is articles of association? What is certificate of incorporation? Certificate of commencement of business? Then board resolution for lending limit provisions. Then Companies Act 2013. Then charges registry and registry searches. Naya concept. Failure to register charges in a timely manner. Um, ये आपको पता नहीं होगा. When we are giving loan to limited companies, we have to get the charges registered about that. What is your basic degree?
मैं बेसिक डिग्री बीकॉम एमकॉम
Oh,
मास्टर.
तब तो थोड़ा थोड़ा आपको पता होगा. You may know
क्या सर?
some of it. Then next one is IND AS2. This is speaking about IND AS.
इंडेक्स
Huh?
इंडेक्स ना.
No, IND AS. That is our
इंडेक्स.
accounting standards.
इंडेक्स. इंडेक्स.
इंड एएस।
इंड एस, अच्छा हाँ, फिनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, हाँ।
ये भी थोड़ा थोड़ा पता होना है, बिकॉज
हम्म,
वी आर गोइंग फॉर क्रेडिट इंटरव्यू, बट उतना तो डीप पूछेगा नहीं है। देन दिस इज एनुअल रिपोर्ट, आरबीआई एनुअल रिपोर्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। आई मीन दिस इज लास्ट ईयर्स, थोड़ा पढ़ लीजिए, जो वट एवर इज रिलेवेंट रख लीजिए, नहीं होने से छोड़ दो, ठीक है।
हम्म,
देन यहाँ पर ये दिस इज briefly given about insurance. What
रिस्क,
is insurance? Risk coverage इसका बारे में दिया है।
हाँ।
Insurance, so उसको भी only 8 pages material, we can read it.
ओके।
Then Woodgum portal. What is Woodgum portal?
आरबीआई का।
हम्म, वो क्या चीज है उसका बारे में दिया है, वो भी पढ़ लीजिए। Then what is capital budgeting? ये तो ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन, इसको आंसर करने से आपको यू विल नो हाउ टू टेक क्वेश्चंस ऑन कैपिटल बजटिंग। क्वेश्चंस इधर है, आंसर्स इधर है, ओके।
ओके।
देन नेक्स्ट वन, दिस वन, देयर these two are same, but the
हाँ,
second one is abbreviation of the previous one। इधर briefly point by point दिया होगा।
अच्छा।
इधर this is the one file, this will do for you। Principles of lending, credit policy, types of borrowers, credit delivery, credit appraisal, credit rating, capital adequacy, importance of RA, ROC, then analysis of financial statements, non-financial risk analysis, macroeconomic factors, project appraisal, credit risk analytics, then non-fund based credit facilities, export finance, priority sector lending, retail banking, forward exposure, then structured finance options and alternative source of funding, digital finance, green finance, documentation, type of charges, follow-up, resolution, stressed assets, fair practices, insolvency, bankruptcy code, fraud, risk management, credit। ये पूरा पढ़ने से आपको बिल्कुल खत्म, और कोई दूसरा चीज भी नहीं जरूरत है।
ओके।
बट द सेम थिंग थोड़ा डिटेल पढ़ना तो ये वाला है,
हम्म,
नॉट दिस वन। फाइल चेंज करा दिया ना क्या? ओहो, बदल दिया मेरा ख्याल से। So I have changed the file wrongly. Credit descriptive. In fact, I saw the descriptive file. It was 400 pages or so. So I thought it must be there, but अभी मिल गया देखो, 437 pages देखो,
हम्म,
बहुत बड़ा है जी।
अच्छा।
सेम थिंग बहुत बड़ा।
बहुत बड़ा है।
हम्म, ये पढ़ने से आपको हो जाएगा, रिगार्डिंग क्रेडिट आपको पूरा पता हो जाएगा। देन
हम्म,
आई एम गिविंग यू क्रेडिट ऑफिसर इंटरव्यू क्वेश्चंस कंपाइल्ड। ये तो पहले हम भी दिया है सबको। This is the file. This is Bank of Maharashtra figures. Like that,
बट,
we should put for CBI. We should
हाँ।
put for PNB. I'm डाल देगा।
ओके।
I think for CBI, I have. You want CBI? I can give you. Mm, this is for CBI. So
हाँ,
ये वाला किधर है? इसमें है।
बैंक ऑफ महाराष्ट्र।
Here, 1 minute. I am here or where? Here only. ओहो, SMP सपोर्ट नहीं करेगा बिकॉज दिस इज
हाँ,
इन, आई विल गेट इट डन, इट्स नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम, बाद में कर देगा, चिंता मत,
ओके। तो कोई।
चिंता मत कीजिए। अभी बाद में इधर में हम बोलते हैं व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ अ क्रेडिट ऑफिसर, व्हाट इज द credit appraisal procedure, then what are the provisioning norms, what are the commerce related interview questions, basic questions. Then this is what I compiled. This is what has been really asked in various banks. Introduce yourself. Why do you want to come to bank? Why you
मैं
did not apply for banking job before? What is CMA? What are different reports of CMA? ये तो आपको नहीं आएगा. This CMA and all for very high level. That is those who are going for scale 2 and scale 3 level.
सर, ये वाला जो एग्जाम मैंने दिया सीबीआई क्रेडिट ऑफिसर है और पीजीडीएफ है। और उन इंटरव्यू मार्क्स ओनली 50 इज मार्क्स।
Oh, interview
50।
marks 50 marks interview, test 50.
हाँ बस। नहीं, इंटरव्यू ओनली 50 मार्क्स।
Oh,
100
but
मार्क्स।
no, no, but written test में कितना marks लेगा? कितना
रिटर्न में
परसेंट?
150 है, 150 है।
150 उसको, ओहो, maybe they will add this and that, and out of 200 they make, I don't know, whatever way they do, let them do. But
हाँ, वो सब कुल मिला के 200 में से ही देगी हमें मार्क्स तो।
तब तो पहले आपको रिटर्न टेस्ट को ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंस है.
हाँ, तो वो तो हमारा हो गया और मुझे उसमें ऐसा है कि हो जाएगा ऐसा।
Yeah. So here, this question is important for you. What is profitability ratio? What is
हाँ।
formula for gross profit, net profit? What is debt equity ratio? Which sector at present is lucrative for financing? ये क्वेश्चन तो आपको पूछने का उम्मीद नहीं है, बिकॉज यू आर ऑल बिगिनर्स लेवल, उस इतना आएगा नहीं है. देन
हम्म।
व्हाट, दिस ऑल्सो आपको नहीं आएगा. व्हाट कम्स इन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर फाइनेंसिंग, व्हाट इज द प्रोसेस इन्वॉल्व इन फाइनेंसिंग रोड प्रोजेक्ट्स, ये भी आपको पूछेगा नहीं. हाउ आरबीआई एडजस्ट लिक्विडिटी इन द इकोनॉमी, ये क्वेश्चन आ सकता है.
ये
Here,
अच्छा।
here you have to tell about repo rate, reverse repo rate, then
एम
bank
एस
rate, देन
मार्जिनल से।
MSF रेट, ये सबको मिला के CRR SLR ये सब मिला के एक पॉइंट्स बोलना है. You could have seen in my videos. Then what
हाँ।
are the different types of government securities?
हम्म।
ये भी आज पूछ सकते हैं. What is HTM, held till maturity? Oh, what is that? If you don't know, you please make a search in the Google, get to know
हम्म।
the answer. How would you explain the loan? This is a good question for you. How would you
हम्म।
explain the new process to a loan
न्यू।
process to a new client? How would you
हम्म।
go about processing complicated loan request objectively? As a credit officer, what has been your greatest success? How would you handle processing multiple loan requests at once while meeting deadlines? It's a not so good questions, but to test your patience and also test your communication skill. और कुछ नहीं इधर में. Then how would you stay up to date with financial laws, banking awareness, RBI circulars, current affairs about your present work? Then
हम्म।
here I have given one CTDI. This is not required for you because उतना deep पूछेगा मेरे उतना idea नहीं है. They will not. But this is UBI manager credit application form, UBI interview, birth certificate, PAN card. Acha, these are documents to be taken with them. That's what I have given. Interview experience. I entered wishing good afternoon. There were 3 male and 1 female. What is, you please read the question like this, you can get it. Read.
Okay. What is your name? Where are you working now and what is your designation? I told I am working in CPC. It is a credit processing center. What do you go do there? How are you processing proposal? What are your role? What kind of proposal do you receive? How many year of experience in credit processing?
This is for a senior. Continue.
How much in your section power? What are the sanction power of your chief manager and AGM? How do you access the credit proposal with no relevance and what document do you obtain? I talk about the processing of working capital proposal. What is GST return and what to see in it? What is CBILS and how its score considered? How do you access a term loan proposal for purchase of machinery? What is this SCR, industrial benchmark of DCR and average DCR? How much collateral coverage does your bank accept? ये सब
ये
सर्च
ये
करके
no no
मुझे
ये वाला, this is slightly higher level because this man is already working in a bank. Yeah, please read.
how much collateral coverage does your bank accept? How do you verify due diligence in credit proposal received at your end? What is advantages figure of UBI as on date? What are the benefits
किरण,
as हाँ
आपका अंग्रेजी पढ़ने में थोड़ा मुश्किल होता है. आपने
हाँ
अभी तक इसमें 3-4 मिस्टेक्स करा दिया. आप इफ यू वॉच द वीडियो यू विल नो. आपने फॉर एग्जांपल you did not pronounce properly diligence. Then like that in 2-3 places you advances, you did not pronounce as advance, you pronounced in a different way and all. So thoda carefully practice कर लो reading English also. But आपको जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगा. आपको इंटरव्यू विल बी 100% इन हिंदी. समझ गया?
अच्छा
Yeah. Now read. No, no. This should not make you feel diffident. आपको घबराना नहीं है. But it's a idea. It's a feedback for your improvement. समझ गया?
okay okay
Please read.
what is the advances figure of UBI as on date? What are the benchmark ratio as per your bank norms? You are in scale 2 in your present bank, private bank itself. Why do you want to join as again as a scale 2? Situation 1. In an enhancement proposal, the sales have reduced and profit are decreased. Will you recommend it positively since there is a takeover threat from other banks and branch wishes to retain the account with you? What do you do to recommend a proposal positively? Find the questions. You are
हाँ,
native
देख
of Tamil.
देखो अब आपने क्या क्या पढ़ा है?
Yeah. What do you
नो नो
what do
नो
you
नो
do
इधर से इधर इधर कैसे पढ़ा है?
final question? You are
हाँ.
a native of
नाउ यू आर
Tamil.
रीडिंग. नाउ यू आर रीडिंग करेक्टली. आपने फाइंड क्वेश्चन पढ़ा है. फाइनल क्वेश्चन.
अच्छा.
कंटिन्यू.
If I post you in Meerut, UP, will you go? Okay, thanks. Take your chocolate and leave. Munch chocolates were kept on the desk. Okay.
I think this girl must have got selected. Now, who
Nab.
has come? Now, 1 minute. Who has come now?
अच्छा.
Aishwarya has come, yeah, for an interview. Another 5 minutes we can read this. Then we will go to Aishwarya. She is going for Bank of Maharashtra interview. Scale 2. Yeah, you please read. Nap feed.
Panel was friendly.
Hmm. Read.
What What have you prepared for interview? As I
Hmm.
am from Vizang, he asked to guide him from for the Vizang tourist DSCR credit default
What
swap.
what 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 is this Visag?
विजांग वो मीन्स कि कोई प्लेस होगी विजांग
Correct. Visakhapatnam. Andhra
विशाखा
Pradesh.
बट
Visakhapatnam.
Okay. I am living in Gujarat, Vadodara, so I don't
No,
know.
no, no problem.
Oh,
ऐसा नहीं बोलना है.
अच्छा.
Hereafter, you are not a child. You are
Okay.
not a girl. You are an
Okay.
adult. आपको पूरा एक दिन आप एक काम करो.
हम्म.
इंडिया का मैप को
हाँ.
वॉल में डाल के, बड़ा मैप को
हम्म.
पूरा से एक बार का दो बार पूरा घूम के आ जाओ.
ओके, ऐसा. ठीक है.
A simple question. Sometimes they can ask you, say, Vishakhapatnam is in which state? ये answer, I don't know, sir. Gujarat only I know. You can't say that. Please read.
Okay.
DSCR.
DACR, credit default swaps, MBA semester 3 related question. What is derivatives market? Pension fund. The lending sources for a long time says 25 years. I thought they were asking for the institution. Do you follow stocks? Black money, what is it? Question were around the submitted resume.
Submitted resume. जो resume हम लोग देते हैं उसका
Hmm.
ऊपर में क्वेश्चंस आते हैं. ये भी पढ़
अच्छा.
लीजिए. लास्ट क्वेश्चन पेपर पढ़
Hello,
लीजिए.
hello sir. Question asked where? In Entered at 9:30. Interview around 6 p.m. Intro and ask about family background separately. About job experience, ask briefly about 2-3 minutes. Depth equity ratio, idle ratio, tell thing tell things including it, but another hypothetical question in it, current ratio, idle ratio.
हम्म.
What is inflation? Type of inflation? What is CPI and WPI? But put hypothetical question in CPI and WPI of petrol. Margin of safety formula. Tell B briefly and formula.
No, no, no. Tell BEP, break even point.
अच्छा, BEP break.
यू आर
Dep.
एमकॉम स्टूडेंट. एमकॉम थोड़ा बुक सबको लेके टक टक करके एक बार का दो बार पढ़ो. समझे?
Okay.
हाँ, थोड़ा ये सब रिवाइज करना है. ये सब आप पढ़ा है. नॉट बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट, वो क्या बोला हमने? बीईपी, ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट.
हाँ, जहाँ पे वो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस वाला.
देखो, आप तो जानते हैं. वाई आर यू नॉट? हाँ, पढ़ो पढ़ो.
Deputy Governor of RBI, tell all the Deputy Governor name. Vice President, yeah.
नेम.
Name who won Nobel Prize in Economics. My interview went around 10 minutes.
That's all.
Hmm.
Thank you. I'll stop with this for today. So,
Okay.
candidates, I arranged for this credit officers class so that all of you can come and get to know what type of questions are being asked and how you can prepare for this. But I'm sorry, not many of you have come. Doesn't matter. Please watch this video. I thank Kiran for having come here. And in future, I'm not sure when I will get time to arrange for it. And if members are willing to attend in the morning, say from 6:30 to 7:30, you can mention so that I can arrange for special classes. Because now there are two, three programs going on. One, this credit officer program. Two, regular clerk recruitment program. Third is relationship officers program. So these three programs are going on, and it I, I am supposed to conduct mock only, but wherever it is possible, I can guide you by telling you what is there and what you should read. That is why I am arranging these classes. Today it was credit officer class. Tomorrow is what date? 21st. Well,
Hmm.
tomorrow I have, as it is, I am completely engaged up to 8:20. Maybe after 8:20, if some of you, well, I think I may arrange for some class for, say that, what is that? That relationship managers group. They will be asked to come and talk in a group like that. So we can do that afterwards. So best wishes. You go through this video. I have not told you anything new, except I have told you what materials I have given and how to make use of the materials given. And out of that, which material is very important for you. I have told you, since you are all freshers, this video will be of great use for you. Thank you.